Our grievances were met to some reasonable extent. At least we had an equivocal confirmation that the teachers' medical cover had been restored to the status in which it was before we went on strike. I do, however, will not hesitate to warn the medical service providers that we as teachers of Siaya, and indeed the teachers of Kenya, we are not going to accept mediocrity in service delivery, medical service delivery to the teachers of Kenya. Now that the Teacher Service Commission has committed, it has the funding and the medical cover is going to run efficiently and competently, we are not going to accept mediocrity in service delivery by the medical service providers. Of course, we did get implementation of the CBA. That was done in arrears, though it was meager. It is not befitting to the teachers of this country, but that's what it was.